cheesy and complete to another video. And it was the taste test. Why? Because it's been a long time, remember? Hey, it's just yesterday. Ah, still a long time. What are you still doing there, Miho? So, focus on me, not on Miho. Hey, the camera's here. Eyes are here, okay? Eyes are here. Dokumitin na yo. Dokumitin na. Yeah, much better. Much better without Miho. Anyway, have to look at me, alright? I'm going to do those three right here. You can see it? You see it? Yeah. Anyway, it's called the brand was Loker. The Loker Minutes. There's three flavors. This one is Creme Cacao. The second one is Napolitaner, and this one is a vanilla. What language are those? I'm going to search about this flavors language. Made from whatever it is. It was from Danish? Nanja? Forget about it. Alright, first things first, we're going to taste this one, vanilla. Because I love vanilla. Haha, I'm basic, I don't care. I love vanilla, okay? Oh, it's like waffle. Wafer rather. Oh, it looks like wafer. I mean, look at this. There's cream there inside. Smell it? It smells like instant wafer, like literally wafer. Alright. Bon appetit. I would say it's not creamy that much. Like literally like looking like this. Like too much, like mini creamy. That's what I want, but it's not creamy that too much. It's not too much creamy, you know? I would rate this a 5 out of 10. Next up is Napolitaner flavor. I don't know what this Napolitaner means. Oh, it was from Italy. It was from Italy. Sorry, Italians. I never knew that. It's called like quadratini. What is the pronunciation of the quadra? It was quadratini. Sorry. Anyway, this other way up. Ooh, I think this might be better than the other ones. You can see the hazelnut cream right there. See? Smell? Smells like a normal wafer. I'm using wafer like something before. So, bon appetit. Okay, I would say this is much better than the vanilla one. Yes, I can taste the hazelnuts like almost melt in my mouth, you know? So good. I'm going to rate this 7 out. Last but not least, Creme Cacao Okay, it's crispy wafer filled with cocoa cream. Oh, I thought it was cacao. It was cocoa. Alright. Yeah, cocoa and cacao are different. They're not the same. Right? This is what it looks like. It's like the same of a hazelnut, but different flavors. Smell. It's like the same. All of it are the same. They're not like different. But anyway, let's taste. Bon appetit. Alright, the chocolate is not a bit sweet. It's not a bit sweet of the chocolate. Oh, it's okay, I guess. I don't. I feel like I don't like it. I'm going to rate this one out of 10. Alright, last, but this time it's a bonus one, which is this one. It's called the Sunright, or Sunrit. Sampalok. Sweet tamarind flavored candy. I don't know if it's really good or not. I already tasted sampalok before as my Filipino dish. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let's smell. It smells like caramel. A bit of caramel or chocolate. I forget what it's called for a smell like this. But whatever. Anyway, let's taste. It's hard. Okay. I can taste the taro of it a bit. Which is okay. It's fine, like, it's really fine. I'm going to rate this a 5. Yeah, I can eat this. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. And I see you all in the sayonara. Arigato. So what are you going to say, huh, Mio? What are you going to say? Aren't you going to say something? Aren't you going to say something? You just wanted to see yourself? Okay. I guess you can lay down for a bit. Right here. Oops. Careful. Oh, where are you going? Oh, okay.